Hi, it's Nørgaard. So I just got done filming this makeup tutorial and my hair is such a mess today. I have no idea what to do with it. So I just decided to put in this fake hairband and I don't know. But I'm done messing with it. So this is what I'm going to be rocking throughout this video. So hopefully it's not too bad. Anyways, today I'm going to do a big old Sephora haul. I'm so fucking excited. I have not been to Sephora in ages, mainly because there is no Sephora where I live. So I could be making this up, but I think it has literally been several years since I last went to a Sephora. So it has been long overdue for me to go to Sephora. I was just so ecstatic in there. And actually there is a little background story to this. I was going to Copenhagen for a concert. And I follow Sephora on Facebook and I saw they had a little competition where you could win a little goodie bag. And since that competition was on the same weekend that I was going to Copenhagen, it was perfect. And you guys, I fucking won the competition. Isn't that so awesome? So I got a little goodie bag. I went to Sephora. There was this big demo. It was actually really fun. It was just a great relaxing experience. I really liked it. And of course I also ended up buying some things myself. So this bag is so busted. But I got a small bag and another small bag. And then I got this big old one. So I have quite a lot of stuff to show you guys. So this little bag is from my first purchase. I went to Sephora twice. But the first time around I didn't get that much. So I got the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the mini version, the mini size, in the color Vanilla. I have been wanting to try this concealer for years, but I just never got around to it. And then I saw they had the mini versions. They had Vanilla and Custard, I think. Anyways, Vanilla seems to be a good shade match for me, so I picked it up. It is kind of ridiculous to me that the cap is half the size of this. Like half of this is a freaking cap, but whatever. I love mini products because I have so much makeup. I cannot use up every single full size item I have, but I'm always looking to try new products. So minis are just really great for me, and also it's more inexpensive, so I can try out more makeup. So I just love the little mini sizes that they have in Sephora. So I also saw this at the display with all the mini items. So this is called the Can't Sleep from This Works. And I have been having a lot of trouble with sleeping. I have had trouble with sleeping for years, but recently it has been worse. I have really not been able to sleep. Well, it's not that I'm not able to sleep, it's just that it takes me many hours to finally be able to sleep. Like I will lay down and it will take me 2-3 hours before I can actually fall asleep. So when I saw this, I knew I had to pick it up because this supposedly helps you sleep. So it comes with a deep sleep pillow spray and a stress check roll-on. So I have been using the deep sleep pillow spray, and I don't know if it's a placebo effect. I don't know if it's because of other circumstances in my life right now. But after I started using this, I have been sleeping better. Like my body has been a lot more calm and I have been able to fall asleep within like a normal time frame, like half an hour, where I just like watch a little movie on my phone and then I fall asleep. I don't lay there for hours and hours. So far I'm so stoked. I'm really impressed. I have tried the Stress Check roll-on. It's like a little perfume, and I don't know, I haven't been really stressed lately, so I guess I haven't really put it to the test. But I mean, it smells nice and I will definitely try it in more stressful situations and see how it works. And by the way, I want to mention that I think I saw Shen XO use this in her, I don't know, like a get on ready with me video or something like that, nighttime routine maybe. I'm not sure it was this exact thing, but I remember she used something that she sprayed on her pillow and that she applied to her wrists. So I think it very well could have been this. And yeah, so far I'm actually really pleased. Okay, so those were the two only things I got on day one. So the day after I got these two things, I went and got, you know, I won the competition, so I went into Sephora again, and that was the demo, and I got a goodie bag, so I'm going to show you what I got. So it's in here. I actually got another one of these. So I was thinking of returning the one I already bought myself, but I just had a feeling I wanted to have a backup, so I kept both of them. And of course, if I figure out that I really do like it a lot and that it really helps me, I'm going to buy the full size. I suppose there is a full size. I also got the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder, and this is another little mini size. I have wanted to try this HD powder from Forever, no, not Forever 21, what? From Makeup Forever for a long time. I just never wanted to spend the money on it, honestly. So I'm so happy I got it in my goodie bag. The only thing with it is it's so hard to freaking open. I got it. So it looks like this. It's probably the size of like a loose eyeshadow. And yeah, I'm really excited to try it, to see if it's good or not. I have heard that it's really great, and I've also heard that it's really bad. So I can't wait to try it out. And finally, in my goodie bag, I got this little flower lipstick. And this is by a brand called Winky Lux. I've never heard about it before, but it's a brand they carry in Sephora. And it's called the Flower Bomb. And I believe this is just a lip balm. So it comes out looking like this. It's so interesting. I don't have anything like it. It kind of looks like a pill, doesn't it? Like, I've never actually taken a pill that looks like this, but I know this is like the caricature of a pill, right? It is so pretty. It has a flower inside the lip balm. And I've seen these all over YouTube and Instagram, and I have wanted to try one, but I never knew where to get one. So now I have one, and I'm so stoked. So I'm hoping you guys can see that. Isn't that just so freaking cute? So that was it for my goodie bag. So now on to the big old giant bag. So after I had got my goodie bag and I went to the demo, after that I browsed through the Sephora store and I picked up quite a lot of things. But it was actually not that expensive, because almost everything in here, if not everything in here, is either a sale item or a mini. So even though this is a huge ass box, everything in here was 620 DKK, the Danish currency, and that translates to about $100 US. So first thing I got on sale is this Kat Von D Duo. So this was half price, and this contains a mini everlasting liquid lipstick in the color Santa Sangria, I think. And it also contains a mini tattoo liner, and that's why I got it. I wanted the tattoo liner in the color Trooper. So I actually don't really give a damn about about the lip product, if I'm honest. I do have two other mini liquid lipsticks by Kat Von D in Lolita and Lolita 2. I really do like them, but I'm not obsessed with the formula. It's good, but it's not brr. However, I have heard that the tattoo liner is the best liquid liner in the world, so I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to get it out of here. So here we have the mini liquid lipstick. Oh, it's actually pretty once you get it out of the packaging. Like the roses up here, it's actually really pretty. And the color is really pretty. It looks like a true red color. And here is the thing that I wanted so bad, and that is the tattoo liner. It's a waterproof liquid eyeliner. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. Intense Ink, and that is so good. It's really black and it dries quickly. It doesn't bleed, and I like how it's quite a long tip, but even the very end of the eyeliner has product. So you can use the very end and get a very precise line. I really do like that eyeliner. The only problem is that it's not waterproof. And I just love my waterproof makeup, so I cannot wait to try this. So next up we have this, which again was another sale item. It was super cheap, and it contains 10 different products from the Sephora line. And I got this one because I saw it had the sleeping mask, and the eye mask, Sephora's eye masks, the one you put on right underneath your eye for like 15 minutes or so. They are my favorite eye masks, and I have been wanting to try this sleeping mask for a long time, and everything in here was just a super great deal. I just could not pass it up. So it's like a little piñata. Oh my god, it smells incredible. So it says to pull at these strings. Let go. Oh, I don't know if I can do this, you guys. I don't think I'm skilled enough. Like, what is going on? Okay, I'm just gonna open it by hand. Ooh. Okay, so let's take a look. So there is this little hair tie. I have been wanting this type of hair tie for forever. Oh, I'm so excited about all the things in here. It makes no sense that the things are supposed to fall out of here, because most of the things are like too big to get out of this hole. So I got this sleeping mask out. I cannot wait to try this. So you're just supposed to put this on in the evening and then wash it off in the morning, and it's supposed to just make your skin so beautiful. I'm so excited. It also comes with this little mini nail buffer, which I am always looking for these because I use them a lot. It also comes with this Sephora cream lip stain in the color 01. It looks full size, doesn't it? I think so. I'm really excited about this because I have only tried the Sephora eyeliners, which I liked, but for some reason I never gravitate to the Sephora makeup. So I'm really excited to try this. In here there's also the mascara, it says, from Sephora. So I'm looking forward to trying this. There is also this Sephora fingertip eyeliner. It has like a hole in here. Do you put like your finger in here and then like... You know what? I'm going to open this and see what the hell is up with this, because that sounds so cool. Oh yeah, so you put your finger in here and then you like... That's so awesome. Here is the under eye mask. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm going to use this the next time I do a mask. So if you have never tried the Sephora under eye masks, you need to get on it because these are bomb. And here is a Sephora lip mask. I actually already have one of these that I've never used, but I definitely need to get on it and see how it works. So in here there is also this cotton flower fizzing cube. So I guess this is kind of like a bath bomb. I can't use this because I do not have a bath in my apartment, and I actually don't think I know anyone who has a bath, so I might use this for an upcoming giveaway. And the final thing in here is the cotton flower creamy body wash. So excited about this. So that was everything that was in the piñata. So the final sale item I got is this hand wash. So this is the Sephora Winter Wonderland hand wash, again in the cotton flower scent. So it was super affordable, and I just thought I loved the packaging. That's what drew me in. So finally I got 3 mini products and a hair mask. So I think these are relatively new to the Sephora line because I've never seen them before. But this is the sleeping hair mask. So you put this on at night, sleep with it in, and then wash it out in the morning. And do you guys want to know a little secret? I have actually not done a hair mask in probably 7 or 8 years. I did a hair mask and then all my hair started to fall out. But after that experience, I just have not fucked with hair masks ever since. But I thought now it has been so many years, I can get over my traumatic experience and try a hair mask again. So this comes with a hair cap and then the mask down here. And yeah, I'm just so excited about trying this. For 2018, I'm just really focused on health. I'm really focused on skincare, hair care, body care, you know, all of that. And speaking of skincare, we are moving on to a mini product I bought. So this was actually something I've never heard about. I've never heard about the brand. I know nothing about this product. I've not heard any good reviews, any bad reviews. It was simply a case of me looking at all the mini things, and then I saw this. It sounded like something I would enjoy, and I bought it. And that does not happen to me a lot, because I normally never buy something I'm not like 100% sure that I want. But anyways, it sounded really good. So this is the Sephora Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Jart Plus. And what drew me in with this product is that it's supposed to neutralize redness. So it's a greenish color, and it's supposed to take away the redness in your skin. And I really hope it works for me, because I have a lot of redness in my face. I don't have a lot of redness on the rest of my body, but my face gets super red. So I'm hoping I can put this on when I'm not wearing any makeup, and then I won't have such a red face compared to the rest of my body. But I'm going to try it out and let you guys know how I like it. So next up, I got a thing that I've been wanting for years. So this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So a while back, many years ago, probably like a good 7 years ago, I tried out the Too Faced lip injection. I did not like it. It did nothing. It was quite painful, and it did not plump up my lips at all. But this is the lip plumper that Time the Infamous uses, and she has been using it for years now. So I thought I would try it out. So I got the mini version, and I'm really hoping that this will plump up my lips. That's the point. I haven't tried a lot of lip plumpers in the past. I've tried the Too Faced that I did not like. I tried the e.l.f. one, which I didn't really like that either. It doesn't really do much or anything actually for my lips. And I think those are the two only ones that I've tried. So I really hope this one works really well. And now for the final thing I got is by Fenty Beauty. This is the first thing that I have bought from Fenty Beauty. I have been wanting to try Fenty Beauty. I just haven't had, the money for it, basically. But recently, Fenty Beauty released this mini duo set. So this contains Hustler Baby Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter and the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, the Universal Lip Luminizer. So I wasn't really looking to get Hustler Baby, but I really wanted the lip gloss, and I thought I could get this, and it was basically the same price as the full-size lip gloss, and then I could also try out the highlight. I thought, well, why not? And this is called Bomb Baby. For the longest time I thought this was called Baby Boom. But now that I look at that name, I'm like, why would it be called that? That makes no sense. Bomb Baby, definitely. That sounds better. But yeah, I'm so excited to finally be a Fenty bitch. I have been wanting to post like some Fenty makeup shots on Instagram, and now I can finally do it. So here is the little lip gloss, and here is the little highlight. It's actually a very decent size for a mini, and I like how everything is the same. Like, this is truly just the regular highlight, just in a mini size. It still has a mirror, it still has the logo imprinted on the powder, it still has everything on the back. It all looks the same. It does look a tiny bit dark for my skin tone. I might have to mix this color. But anyways, that is all for my Sephora haul. I'm just so excited about all these items. So anyways, I'm going to wrap it up now because I have to clean up this entire mess in front of me that you guys cannot see. So if you like this haul, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will leave info on my makeup down in the down bar. And other than that, yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.